Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set alarm in your Windows Clock app into very simple way. What you need to do, you just need to completely come over into your search option and going to search for clock. And then you will get the Windows Clock over here. If you click on that, your Windows Clock is opened over here. And now if you just want to go for the alarm, you can simply turn it on and your alarm will be turned on. We can also set a new alarm code. Just simply click on clock and then here you just completely set the timer you want. You can also write over here. You can write the time, it's AM or PM, or you can set the note and also the repeat the alarm. You can set the tone you want to give for the alarm tone and how many time it will be snooze into your alarm. And then simply click on save and now your alarm is set into your Windows 11. Also, you can select couple of alarm. Just simply come over at to the bottom side. You will find the option plus. Click on that, and you can set the new alarms for your home. So this is how you can set alarm into alarm clock. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.